This is Roseville Apartments, owned by Hornig Companies. Bonnie Nord from Minnesota Wastewise reached out to us here about this program. She came out and met with us to improve our recycling program here. We got recycling bins for all of our residents, one for each apartment, and we have recycling bins now in our laundry areas as well. I feel like BizRecycling has helped the overall appearance of our property. A lot of recycling was being thrown in the dumpsters, so our dumpsters were overfull. We had a lot of the recycling and garbage blowing out because of the fact that it was overloaded. So having the dumpster not as full by having more people recycling and recycling appropriately caused a lot less mess blowing around the property. It seemed too good to be true. Free money to help improve the recycling program at my property, but they did. And when people are comfortable knowing what to recycle, they're more likely to recycle. BizRecycling helped to educate our residents.